Hi everyone, I've just done another beta promotions on YouTube because I had so much response. Now I don't know if you remember on the first promotion I did with YouTube on the Badass Base video, how many subscribers I got. Well, they actually got 868 new subscribers, and I think that was £36.34. Now, because of the response I've got, I've actually done a bit more. I've spent another £60. So I'm going to take you through the results. They're absolutely astonishing, and I don't think people will believe me unless I actually show them and take them into my account, take them onto the YouTube channel and show them what the actual results. YouTube Beta program, for promotions is absolutely fantastic. You don't have to spend hours trying to look at your, your audience, who you're going to target or whatever. But this time, the extra £60, I think about £96 in total altogether, has been absolutely fantastic. Well, we'll get straight into the results and you can decide for yourself. Right, back into my old Global Shuffle Dance page. It's actually called Sound Design now. But you can see from the video, 238,000 subscribers, 466 videos. So there has been an increase. I was down to 334,000 subscribers, and I was using Badass Base on Roland. Now that's had 15,000 views. It was approximately 7,500, initially about 800 views. So it's completely changed from where we are. I've just run a promotion. I'm going to take you into YouTube Studio so you can just see the results, because I can say anything I want. So in the past 28 days, I've got 3,482 subscribers. Now, not all those subscribers come from that promotion, because I'm going to show you the stats. Originally, I got 868 new subscribers. You can see that Badass Base 8.1k, etc. So let's just go into promotions. Now, bearing in mind, when I did the first promotion, it was a complete and utter disaster because I chose the wrong video. So if you look here, Badass Base, there we go. I paused it now, I'm not going to do any more on it. £93.40 in total spent, so there was £36 spent, 860,000 promotional impressions, and then you can look. It's actually in, got 2,078 promotional subscribers in total. So I actually gained 1,000 other subscribers while I was running promotion, but for other videos. Now you can see, just to go back to the disaster there, you can see that the new baseline for 24 got 1 subscriber and I spent £6.11. So it just proves how much these promotions do work. My video count on my playlist has all gone up. There were literally 5s and 6s. So I'm really pleased with the results. Hopefully you can judge for yourself. And I hope this video helps decide whether you want to promote anything on YouTube and pay the money. To me, it's just been an absolute excellent result. And please subscribe and follow, and thank you for